Hi friends, myself Dr. Ladda, anatomy faculty and the author of book Easy Anatomy for Exam Preparation, published by BJ Publication. And first of all, thanks to all of you students for preferring that book for exam preparation and providing perfect and positive feedbacks about the book. So friends, with the book, I am just going to start a video series, and this series will provide the perfect and easy knowledge about the anatomy. This series includes, means I am planning to introduce the topic which can cover at a time 20 mark question, 10 mark question, 5 mark question, and not only this but the MCQs, so that once you get the knowledge of these topics in a simple term. Remember, in our book we are getting that the terms are very difficult and we are facing all the terms to remember at a time, the difficulty, and so I am trying to rule out all those difficulties. And since the next lecture we will proceed with a topic. From that topic we are calculating 20 mark question if it is possible, 5 mark, 10 mark question, and with the MCQ. So for getting day-to-day update of my each and every video, I request to subscribe my channel so that immediate notification will arrive at you. And be sure and be certain, my videos are helpful for the routine study, and most important, those videos are the prime for those students who are just appearing for the examination after 1 or 2 months. Thank you friends.